Hello everyone, I am Riyanka Pal, an admission counselor from PICE Educare Private Limited. First of all, I would like to thank you all for watching my previous videos. Today I am here with a very new topic, that is nursing college admission right now. So people are very much confused about what to do if they are not getting chance after the counseling of JNPA that's provided in WBMC Nursing Council. So this topic is very much hot topic right now, and the students are going to take admission in another state also. So that I am here to discuss all about the process of BSc nursing courses, what is the eligibility criteria, which college will be the best college for you, which college will be in affordable budget, and what is the career scope of nursing after completing the course. The next eligibility criteria for BSc nursing is there are different rules for different states. Like West Bengal Nursing Council, for taking admission in West Bengal Nursing Councils, so you have to appear JNPA examination. If your name is come in JNPA examination, if you passed in JNPA examination, you can easily take admission in government colleges. And after that, if you can't appear JNPA examination, you can easily take admission in Bangalore or other states. Okay. So there are two ways in admission. One is direct admission and one is with entrance examination. The next important thing what I am going to discuss over here is, for this year it is very complicated situation for the student, those who are not appearing JNPA examination from West Bengal and those who are willing to take admission in BSc nursing. So if you are from West Bengal, then you don't need to be worried if you are not eligible for BSc nursing without JNPA. You can easily take admission in BSc nursing without JNPA to other state. So as I have said right now, if you want to take admission in West Bengal Nursing Council, you must have qualified JNPA examination. For this year, JNPA has not occurred due to this pandemic situation. So that e-counseling is going on. Comparatively, if you are going to take admission in West Bengal Nursing Council, first of all you have to qualify JNPA examination, or you have to in the merit list of JNPA. Okay. So secondly, the budget of West Bengal is comparatively higher than other state. So if your budget is under 5 lakh, under 4 lakh, then you can easily choose other state nursing council like Karnataka Nursing Council. You can easily take admission in Bangalore nursing colleges. As you all know, there are well-equipped colleges and well-equipped medical colleges in Bangalore. Now I'm going to discuss about the benefit if you are taking admission in another state. Like apart from West Bengal, if you're going to take admission in another state, there are some benefits. Like first of all, fee structure. Most of the candidates, those who are willing to take admission in BSc nursing, budget is a very big issue for them. So if you're going to take admission in Bangalore or other state nursing council, so there is a fee structure in affordable budget. Like approximately total package will be 4 lakh. Approximately starting package will be 4 lakh. And if you are going to take admission in any medical colleges, it would be maximum 6 lakh or 7 lakhs. So it is for private colleges only. This is the fee structure of BSc nursing in private colleges. The next important part is placement. Placement is a very important part of this nursing course. After completing the 4-year course, after completing the 1-year internship also, you can get a placement from your college, from your council. So if you are going to take admission in Bangalore under KNC, then after completing the 1-year internship, they will provide you a very good placement, depend on college. And the next point is the very important point. What is the job opportunities in nursing? After completing this course, as it is not only a theoretical course or it's not about only study, it's about your career. So you must know about the job opportunities in nursing. So first of all, one who qualified BSc nursing course, they can easily choose the profession as staff nurse, nursing service administrations, community health nurse, director of nursing, military nurse, deputy nursing superintendent, teacher of nurse, etc. So if you are going to choose your career as a nurse, so you must look after all this. So the next important part is what will be the salary structure of a nurse. So firstly, for the fresher candidate, those who are taking their career as a nurse, there will be a salary structure like 1.5 lakh per annum. Salary improves with the experience. Salary depends on experience of a nurse. So if you are an experienced nurse, then your salary can be up to 50 to 60,000. Okay, so this is very important part of choosing a career like a nurse. In this video, I'm trying to explain all the questions from you and trying to explain the different parts of BSc nursing admission. So if you like our video, then you can press the like button. You can press the bell icon for more updates. Always like, follow and subscribe our page. You can contact me on 8011 92800 for any other medical courses related issues, and any other information regarding other courses of medical. Okay, and you can also visit our website like www.paiseducare.com. Thank you for visit our website. Thank you for watching my video.